This morning we're in Skokie, Illinois. The customer got condemned. We're doing a condemned house clean out. It's a hoarder house. We're going to save the day again. We're going to get rid of all the garbage. We're going to do a little sorting too. This is Skokie. We're going to set the box down on the street here. Skokie, Illinois. We're at Skokie, Illinois this morning, doing a condemned house clean out. Starting out with the empty load. This is Skokie, Illinois. We're in Skokie, Illinois today doing a condemned hoarder house clean out. He got kicked out of his house, sadly. We're going to give it our best try and get it out quick for the customer, one area at a time. Skokie, Illinois. So we're in Skokie, Illinois. We're lucky to set the dumpster down for this big hoarder house clean out. Place got a tag on it. It was condemned by the village. So we're going to do our best job to clear it out fast. Probably we'll get the whole first floor in this dumpster. We might have to come back for the basement. Mostly just trash hoarding. I get a kick out of seeing these old rotary phones in the hoarder houses. They used to rent those from Illinois Bell. That's how old it is. This is the Skokie, Illinois. We're making some good progress. It's looking better here. We're updating Skokie, Illinois. Level 7. Junk removal heaven. It's a tagged house. They got tagged by the village. We're just trying to clear it out as fast as we can go. And making good progress. It's looking good in here. This was full of garbage 30 minutes ago. City will be here in about an hour to inspect the house. We're going to hopefully have all the bedrooms done and the first level done. Leaving the furniture for now. This is Skokie, Illinois. So we're bagging it and stacking it. Yeah, it looks good. Packing it and stacking it. We're bagging up all the loose garbage in this house. In Skokie, a condemned hoarder house. Got tagged. We cleared out a good portion of the first floor already. I think we're going to get all 3 bedrooms and the living room and the dumpster. Maybe come back for the basement tomorrow. Just cleared another clutter catastrophe out of this bedroom. We're leaving the wood. Going in this into the other room to clean out the bathroom. And we're updating. This is Skokie, Illinois. Level 7 hoarding clean out. We got customers got a tag on the door. We're trying to empty everything out as fast as we can go. Skokie, Illinois. Level 7. So we cleared this room completely out and the bathroom. Moving on to the final bedroom. Okay, we're in the basement of the Skokie condemned hoarder house. Getting the rest of the junk out of here. A couple different rooms full of junk. And we're wrapping up first load in Skokie, Illinois, hoarder house clean out. Level 7. Junk removal heaven. Pretty serious stuff. Serious garbage. We cleared out the whole first level. We're in the basement now.